Let's get this chainsaw in action.
What's that?
I was gonna record this little repair. The switch.
He likes YouTube. Also, guess he wants to make famous.
Don's gonna be famous. Some people don't know how to do this and they act like they know how, but then they mess it up.
So you gotta see where the guy goes. You see the guy?
That's where the teeth are.
Yeah. So this way. And you gotta clean here always.
Shit, just that little screw.
Yeah. There's. See this? Dirtiest.
Yeah, it's all dirty. The gunk from the tree.
Yep. So before you tie this bolt, you gotta tie the chain.
That moves the bar forward and backward.
Mm-hmm.
So you can tighten up the chain. You get it to where you just need it, just enough tension.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Nice and tight. Then you finish off
Yep.
tightening the bolt really good so the bar stays in place.
Right.
And that's how you switch the chain out from old to new.